Today, we're making fudgy chocolate brownies in our Smart Oven Compact Convection. Start by setting your rack to the bottom position and turn the function dial to bake. You can adjust temperature and time with the temp time dial on the front of the oven. Now, let's preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. To select the baking temperature, turn the temp time dial to adjust the baking temperature in 10-degree increments. To select the baking time, press the center of the temp time dial, and the LCD displays the preset baking time of 30 minutes. Turn the dial to adjust. Cut your baking paper large enough to reach the edges of the baking tray, as this will allow for adequate heat circulation. What I love about baking in the Smart Oven Compact Convection is that you really can't mess up your brownie because of the Element IQ system's precise heat and control. Position the tin in the middle of the oven. Selecting the bake function allows you to choose between convection or none, and the temperature will adjust automatically to suit. When we're looking for a crispier food result, we'll use convection, but for this recipe, we'll go without for beautiful fudgy results. So quick and easy. A quick stir test, and if it comes out slightly gooey, yes, it's perfect. Fudgy brownies, what a great weekend treat to share. Or maybe just keep them to yourself.